Hi everybody, have you guessed what day it is? So I'm going to share with you some books today that pertain to Halloween. How about my earrings? Should have done these with the other book that I read, The Skeleton Hiccups. Remember that book? I hope you read it. Anyway, we have Pete the Cat. You're probably familiar with those. 5 Little Pumpkins. Okay. Oh, that's better. There's not so much reflection on that. I hope you enjoyed them. Pete the Cat, 5 Little Pumpkins by James Dean. Five little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun. Trick or treat." Uh-oh, went the wind, and out went the lights, and the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Happy Halloween!